Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to laminate your eyebrows. I went ahead and I used this brow kit, and I actually did this 2 days ago. I just wanted to show you like how it actually looks after all the product has been taken off. Okay, so this is how they look. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay. Oh. Wow. Alrighty, so my face is nice and clean and moisturized. Next, I'm going to apply AQUAPHOR around my eyebrows. You can also use Vaseline. This just protects your skin from the chemicals that we're going to use. From the kit, we're actually going to start with the number 5, which is a cleanser, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean my eyebrows so that the other products will adhere to them. Next, we're just going to brush them out. Next, we go in with number 1, which is the brow glue. We want to make sure that we glue our eyebrows down to the shape that we desire, because this is going to be the actual shape that they're going to take. Once you're happy with the shape, how you shape them out, then you're going to go on to the next step, which is the perm. This is going to be the number 2 perm on our Ariana kit. You can smell it to make sure that it is the perm. It will smell. We will go ahead and cover our brows with it. A nice coat, not too thick, not too thin, a good coating. Next, we want to make sure to seal them. I'm using regular plastic wrap that I have in my kitchen. You want to be very careful when covering your eyebrows so that you don't push them down or shift the shape. And this is how they're looking. Okay, sorry I wasn't talking much. I had some people fixing the sink because it was leaking. My eyebrows really want to go downward, so after I put the glue on, they were still shifting back down. So I'm hoping this will really help. I'm waiting 10 minutes. If your eyebrows are nice and thin, you want to just do 8 minutes, but mine are very thick, so I'm doing 10 minutes. So this one still has the perm on. It says to wipe the perm thing off, so I'm just gonna do that. Brush them out again. I really liked using this one. Going in with this one now. Next, we are doing the FIXATION. This is a FIXATION. It's number 3. I want a good, nice coat on all of the eyebrow hairs. Okay, they're looking a little wild. I'm going to leave this on for another 10 minutes. My timer just went up, so it's time to take it off. We're going to wipe this off using the cleanser. And we're just going to wipe everything clean. Gonna brush them out one more time. Okay, so last step, the nutrition. This is step number 4. This will nourish your eyebrows, so go ahead and apply a good amount. I can see this one's already trying to lean back down. These are very strong brows, so we'll see. For today, the care for instructions ask you to just leave the nutrition oil on for the whole day, and this is pretty much the finished product. It was nice and easy. I don't feel any rash or anything like that, so that's a bonus. This is the Ariana New York, so I'm like, oh, if it's from New York, it has to be good, you know? But it is made in China, but I'm good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.